Now, I added one additional slide also after going through the overview of the pre-Socratic philosophers, again in the field of metaphysics, ontology, and in particular talking about what's sometimes known as the kind of the ancient problem of permanence and change. And it's, are the things that exist permanent, or are they constantly in a state of flux? And we see, one position you could take is everything that exists is permanent. Change is not possible. Nothing ever changes. Now, another position people take, contrasting, actually there are two positions that contrast this. One was taken by people who were called naturalists. That is, there's a material cause of the cosmos, of the universe. That is, the material brought the universe, or the material was either there all the time, and that's what accounts for the universe being in the state that it's in where we are today. And all things that are changing are to be explained in terms of this material and these material causes. Now, another position is something that's sometimes called fluxism, that everything is in a state of flux, a state of change. That is, this position is nothing is permanent, nothing is real except for one thing. It's kind of an extreme view, except for one thing. Change is the only real thing. If you look around you, you'll see everything that exists is constantly in a state of changing, and as a result, nothing is permanent. There are some degrees of fluxism, but for our purposes, we can ignore it. And we'll come back in a little while and we'll see where our pre-Socratic philosophers fall on, in this scale or in this particular schema on the problem of permanence and change.